class. Today, we are going to have a lesson on the causes of flood. We are going to discuss about one factor and one possibility that will kill us all, or probably. As you can see on the right, is the reservoir. See? Reservoir there? Can see or not? Can see or not? Okay, open your eyes. Okay, then on the left I think, is the school. I'll go away. Left is the school. As you can see, there. As you can see, the right hand is shorter or lower than the left hand, which is the reservoir. So if the water increase, it will flood the whole of Commonwealth. And that will be the end of our goal with honors as whatever. Okay. Okay, so we are going to interview one of our victims. See, you can see this is Whitehorn. Come closer to the camera. Okay. What happened on the day Commonwealth time?
You were still alive now.
What happened? Okay, did your parents die?
So far away.
Oh. Okay. What do you think? Yeah, listen louder. What do you think caused the flood?
Meaning,
Oh, so it was raining heavily.
it was so heavy. It was raining heavily for like 10 hours or something.
Was there a hurricane?
I'm not sure, but the wind was so strong that all the trees
Not really.
gone.
Gone. Oh, so you're trying to say that because of hurricanes and other natural disasters and phenomena, the water level increases. The water level increases. And so, the water level will rise, flood the whole Commonwealth. Okay, thank you.